Hey Guildies, Fletch here. So in this video I'm going to talk about guard clauses. Guard clauses are a way to control the flow of your code so undesirable results end up returning early instead of continuing with transformations. So as in this case, which is a try-catch guard, this will say I'm going to attempt this external call, and if it throws an exception, which is undesirable, I'm going to just return the value that was passed into me, and I'm not going to do this transformation. So external call might also return a Boolean. We might care if this is null or if it's zero. There's a lot of other scenarios. In this case, all we're doing is saying if it throws an exception, that's undesirable. So this is very narrow. This is a try-catch guard. We're going to say instead, we're going to call that same external method, and we're going to do a clause, a conditional statement. And we're going to say if it's undesirable, so if the value of this is null, which is undesirable, we're just going to return the value that was passed in. We're not going to do any transformation. If it ends up being desirable, it'll fall through down to here, and it'll say we're going to do the transformation and return that. The reason why we can do this without a try-catch is because the try pattern will make sure that the try-catch is inside of here, and so if it ends up throwing an exception internally, this will just return false. And there's a lot more to the try pattern, which I'll discuss in a different video. So here's a guard clause. It says we're going to return early to guard from continuing on these transformations. The other way of doing it, which is the exact same result, is called the logical happy path, and it just inverts when this work is done. So we're going to make this external call, and we're going to say if it's a happy path, if it's a desirable result, then we're going to do the transformation and return the transformed value. Otherwise, if it's not desirable, it'll fall through and it will return this untransformed value right here. And this is very important for use in our other videos regarding unit testing, to say semantically that conditionally drop out and don't do any transformation versus conditionally transform something, where this is important to unit test and this is not important to unit test. And so if you like this video, like and subscribe and let us know. Check out our other videos on unit testing, on the try paradigm, and everything else that interests you.